Hi, my name is Ionuț Petrescu. This is a demo of the API-based blogging app as required by the assignment for Programming in Algorithms 2. We have here an early draft of the requirements, and the reason I say early draft is because it was later changed to allow us to either use Flask or Django for the API component. As for the front end, it was later added that we could use tkinter or PyQt5. So if you scroll down at the bottom, we also have like an example for the interface. And let's just start the interface. So this is the graphical user interface, and even though it is in the same folder as the main project, it has no requirements to be in there. I just put it there to keep it safe. So we tried to start the interface, and we got a message that the server is offline or not responding. We need to first start the server and then the interface. So if we just go ahead and close the interface and start the server first this time. Now we should be able to start the interface. And the interface is running. So as part of the requirements, it was required that without signing in, you should be able to see a list of the posts and a list of categories. And we have the list of categories here and the posts here as well. Anyone, whether registered or not, can read any posts. Anyone, whether registered or not, can read a list of categories. And we have these here, and if we switch through the categories, only the posts in the mentioned categories are being shown. Web design, only web design, and so on. If we switch back to all categories, all of the categories will be shown: programming, networking, web design, etc. One of the other requirements was anyone can register, and you would have to provide first name, last name, password. So if we go to menu here, as you can see, we have a couple of options available to us: login, sign up, and exit. Under admin, nothing is available, and under about is just some details about the app itself. So if we do go ahead and try to sign up, as mentioned here, we required a first name. Let's put John, last name Peter, and the password, let's try a simple password. So 1 2 3 4 5 6. Sign up. Okay, so there is some issues with the password. The password is too common, and the password is entirely numeric. So it's not allowed to have too common password, and it's not allowed to have numeric only password. So let's try John 1 2 3 4 5. John 1 2 3 4 5. Sign in, and that worked. So the email is johnpeter@tudublin.ie, and the password is john12345. And when we signed up, we did not select the admin user to create as an admin. So admin is still grayed out, and we cannot make any changes to the already existing posts. Now you can see the menu has changed a little. Login and sign up are no longer available because we are signed in, so the option sign out is now available. We can create a post. If we try to post without typing anything in this box, it tells, oh sorry, if we try to post without selecting a category, it'll prompt you to select the category first. And if you have selected a category and try to make a post, it'll prompt you to put some text in the text box here on the left. So the title must be on the first line and the content on the lines below. So this is a title, and here are the contents of the post. And we post, and that is successful. So this is a title, and here are the contents of the post on multiple lines, as mentioned before, as it was required. So that's pretty straightforward. We have a user, it can create posts. So let's go ahead and try to make a admin users. I believe actually we also have here, so we should have here the user we just created. So John Peter, and he is not an admin. If he were an admin, this would be green. So let's go ahead and try to make another user. Menu, sign out, and now login and sign up are again available. Let's try to create another account. This time let's do John Pendergast and password John 12345. Of course, if the passwords don't match, you get a message that passwords don't match. John 1345, and this time let's make this user an admin as well. I probably spelled this wrong, but sorry. Sign up, John Pendergast, John 12345, and this time we should have available the admin options. So we could, for example, create a new category, and the category has a description, as in the title. Let's put, I don't know, YouTube videos, and tag tube. Okay, so the category was created. Once we finish, we can just close the window, and the main window will pop back up. And now we should be able to see a YouTube videos categories over here, and you can see that there's nothing in here. We could create a post. Okay, and it was posted by me at this date and time. Now we could delete a category or modify a category. Let's first try modifying this category, YouTube videos. Let's change the YouTube blog. Okay, and now it says YouTube blogs instead of YouTube videos. Let's try to delete a category, and if we go ahead and delete this category, it'll give us a message that it also contains one post, and the post will be deleted as well. If we choose not to, it will stay there. If we choose to delete this one has 12 posts in. So let's go ahead and delete this one for good. Category deleted, so you can see it's no longer here, and it's no longer here either. If we look at the categories here, the category is gone. And if we look at the users, I forgot to do this earlier, Pendergast is now an admin user. I think this covers pretty much everything. So we have done the registration, the login is authorized by a token. You can see that in the code base. We have the boolean for administrator. Logged in users can create posts. Each post belongs to a category. You cannot make a post without selecting a category first. Yeah, that covers pretty much everything. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye.